You know what's actually broken about how we use AI today? It's not the quality or the workflow. Because think about it. You use ChatGPT for text, then another platform for presentations, something else for images, maybe Sheets or Excel for data, and in the end, you're still the one doing all the work. Switching tabs, copying things, fixing formatting, trying to make everything feel connected. At that point, it's not really automation, it's just faster manual work. Now, just imagine instead of using AI like separate tools, you could use it like an actual team. And that's the whole idea behind Skywork 3.0. And this is where things actually get interesting, because this is no longer about generating a paragraph or creating one image. This is about giving the system an outcome and letting the entire workflow execute in the background. You don't really think in prompt anymore, you think in deliverables, and that's exactly what we want in the end. Let me show you a real example because this is where it truly clicks. Let's say I'm an investigative journalist or a content creator working on a massive deep dive. Normally, this would be a multi-week project using 5 different tools. Here, I just drop in one instruction: generate a complete investigative journalism package on the plastic tide, tracing microplastics from river to reef. Outputs share unified identity, muted ocean blue and warning red palette, editorial newspaper topography, photojournalistic image treatment. So it's perfect, it's all there. Output 1, long form research document. Output 2, supporting data sheet. Output 3, infographic image set. Output 4, teaser video. Now I just hit enter and step back. I'm not doing anything else. Look at what happens on the screen. Everything starts being built simultaneously. It's writing a full 3,500 word investigative article with expert quotes and methodology sections. At the same time, it's organizing coordinates, statistics, and seasonal variations into a multi-tab spreadsheet. But it doesn't stop there. It's also reading its own data to generate standalone infographics, heat maps, flow diagrams, data visualizations, all matching the exact same visual identity I asked for. And at the same time, it's rendering a cinematic underwater teaser video with soundtrack and motion graphics for the launch. All 4 outputs are referencing the exact same statistics. They share the same brain. You are not stitching this together manually. The AI team is building everything in parallel. And honestly, this changes the entire feeling of working, because instead of managing a software, you are directing outcomes. That's the big deal here. But here's where it gets from being a cool feature to something that actually changes your daily life. Because not only can one prompt generate multiple formats at once, you can also schedule these workflows to run automatically. You can literally have AI working for you while you sleep. Check this out. Act as an ultimate productivity assistant and build me a comprehensive single-page morning dashboard. Read real-time data and include a core overview of the day's vibe. Real-time weather for Beijing, Shanghai, and Singapore, live stock prices for major tech and AI companies, brand sentiment monitoring for X, Reddit, and YouTube, offline event maps for LA and San Francisco, and one fun tech news item. Now, instead of running this all at once, I schedule it to run automatically every single morning at 6:30 a.m. So what happens next? I wake up, grab my phone, open the Skywork mobile app, and right there on the screen is a fully updated dashboard. The weather is already refreshed, Stock indicators are updating in red and green. It summarized social sentiment across platforms and even pulled live AI-related events happening in San Francisco for the day. I didn't open a weather app. I didn't check stocks manually. I didn't browse social media trying to figure out what matters. I just opened Skywork, and my AI team had already briefed me for the day. That's what real automation looks like. Another reason this works so seamless is because it's not locked into a single AI model. Most platforms force you into a closed ecosystem, but with Skywork, you're basically hiring a team of specialized experts. You can manually choose the model or let the platform automatically route the task to the best one. So if you need advanced reasoning and complex problem solving, it can use Opus 4.7. Or if you need code generation, structured workflows, or creative scripting, it can pull from GPT 5.5. And for multimodal generation like infographics, visuals, and video creation happening simultaneously, it leverages Gemini 3.1 Pro. So instead of relying on one AI system trying to do everything, you are combining the strongest capabilities from the best models available. And that becomes incredibly powerful depending on what you do. If you create content, it can research, script, generate visuals, and build presentations. If you run a business, it can automate reports, dashboards, and internal workflows. If you study or do research, it can transform massive amounts of information into something structured and usable. This is bigger than AI helping with individual tasks. This is AI executing entire workflows, and honestly, I think this is where everything is heading. Less prompting, less tool switching, less manual coordination, and more giving a system an objective and letting it execute. Because once you stop thinking in individual tasks and start thinking in outcomes, everything changes. I used to jump between multiple platforms just to finish one project. Now, the entire process happens in one single place. If you want to try Skywork for yourself, the link is right here in the description down below. You can test it for free, and there's also a discount code there if you want to upgrade. That's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you actually have fun and be real productive using Skywork. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.